Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable face unlock faster recognition on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then in here, go down and tap on face recognition. Next, put in a PIN or password. And then go in here and tap on faster recognition. So tap on it to turn it on or off. It's so that if you turn off, if you turn on faster recognition, it is less secure. A video or image could be recognized as your face. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.